Hey, my name is Joseph from PureLender team. We get so many questions from affiliates on how to host landing pages and how to use CDN and how to add HTTPS, etc., etc. And in this video tutorial, I will show you one of the best ways and one of the lowest cost ways on how to host your landing pages with CDN and HTTPS. And by the way, we're gonna use Amazon servers. Follow me, we're gonna do it step by step. So let's go.
Okay, let me explain first how you can buy the domain name. It's very simple. For those who don't know how to get the domain name, just head over namecheap.com and sign up, and I will speed this process. So follow me. Now we have got the domain name. We will go to our dashboard so we can find the details about our domain name. This is our domain name, plps.xyz. That's all we need now. Okay, now we have got our domain name. In order for us to use Amazon AWS and host our landing pages with no problems, we need to understand three things. There is S3 and the Certificate Manager and the CloudFront. These are three services that are provided by Amazon AWS. We're gonna use S3 to host our static files, which means our landing pages, and we're gonna need the Certificate Manager to create our HTTPS certificate, because some traffic sources do not allow you to promote HTTP links. We're gonna need that. And the CloudFront, we will use it to add the CDN to our landing page to make it load faster. Okay, now let's start. Let's create our bucket. Let's come here. Let's type S3. Create bucket. I will name it PLPS. I will name it the same name of the domain name we bought. It's up to you. You can name it whatever you want. I will block all public access. Means I will leave my landing page, I will leave my bucket public. Okay, I will uncheck this. I will leave it like that. I will confirm this and I will create. Very simple. Now our bucket is created and the objects, means the files that will be inside, can be public. So that's what we want. Let's get a landing page so we can upload it in our bucket. I will head over purelender.com. Let's log in. I will create this LP1. I will download the landing page. I will name it LP1. Very simple. I will unzip this. It's very important to unzip it, and I will rename it. I will name it LP1. Okay, I will open. These are the files of our landing page. We're gonna upload them all. So we'll come back to the S3, and here we are we will click on PLPS bucket. We will click on it and we will upload our landing page here. I will click upload. I will resize this. Very simple. And I will drag and drop the entire folder. Do not upload file by file. That's not good. It can cause you problems if you don't know what to do. So I suggest you drag and drop the entire folder. Okay, you see here it already knows all the files and the folders it will upload them all. So I will click upload and I will wait. The files of our landing page is getting uploaded, is uploaded. I will come back and I will click here and I will make it public. If you didn't make it public, it will not work. So I will check the folder of the landing page and I will make public. And I will make public. Okay, it's public, and I will come back here. I will try to open the index. Open. Now our landing page is working with no problems. You see, it's working. So our landing page is live now. We need to link it with our domain name, and we need to add HTTPS, and we need to add CDN for faster loading speed. So just follow me. We will go now and we will create our certificate first. Okay, certificate manager.
Another thing that I didn't mention is that you have to select North Virginia before creating your certificate. Okay, if you didn't do that, you will not be able to use it after that. So make sure you select US East 1, North Virginia, and after that you can go and create your certificate.
Request a certificate. Now we will add our domain name. And we will add this sign dot our landing page. This means anything before the dot, it can be www or anything, it will be cached. So next, DNS validation, go with email validation. I prefer this, it's very simple. Email validation. Next, review. Don't click confirm, you need to come back here to the domain name, and you will go to redirect email. Okay, you will add catch all, and you will add your email here. Whatever email you have, you can add it here, and you will click save. This change can take up to 60 minutes to be effected. So let's continue here. Let's confirm and request. Let's continue. That's it. A pending email will go. Let's go to our email. Let's open it. Okay, I have already got it. I have already got the email, you see. But if you didn't get it, I'm sure you will not get it like me, because I have already tested on this domain name. That's why they send me the email quickly. What you're gonna do, once you add the email here, you will come back to certificate manager. You will wait a couple of 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you didn't get the email, you will come back here again and you will click here. It's gonna be like this. Just make like this and click here and action and resend validation email. Okay, click resend. They will send you another email for the validation. If you didn't get the email, just wait like 20 minutes or so and resend the validation email again. You see. Anyways, let's confirm some of these emails. Approve. Let's walk through them all and approve. This one is approved, and I will reload. You see, it's issued and both domain names. Okay, now we have created our certificate. Okay, we need to go and create our distribution. Okay, the one I told you about earlier, the CloudFront. We will create our distribution. CloudFront is called distribution. CloudFront distribution. We will create it. CloudFront. That's it. CloudFront. Now let's create a CloudFront distribution. Original origin domain. Let's select our bucket. Okay, now let's scroll down. You don't need to change anything here. Scroll down. You don't need to change anything. Leave it as HTTP and HTTPS. You don't need to change anything. Here you see, here you will choose the certificate we have created earlier. That's why we created it first. So we will select this certificate, this one, the one we created for that domain name, and we will add alternative domain name. We will add this one in the alternative domain name. We will add this one, and we will add item. We will add like this. This means anything before and our domain name. Very simple. Scroll down. You don't need to change anything. Just create the distribution. Okay, it's deploying. Now let's click on distributions so we can watch the progress. Statue enabled is deploying. Okay, let's give it a couple of minutes until it's finished deploying. I will pause. Okay, I've waited like 20 minutes. Okay, I will come back here to our distribution. Now let's test this URL here. If it looks like this, means it's working. Now, if you recall, we have hosted our landing page in the LP1 folder / and the index is index.html. If we click, our landing page is working now. It's hosted. It's in the CloudFront now. You see. Now what we're gonna do, we will add our domain name. So when we open this link here, if we open this link, we want to make it works. You see, now it will not work, but just follow me. I will show you what to do to link your domain name with the CloudFront distribution. Now what we will need is we will copy this. Very simple. Copy this, go to the domain names and click on advanced DNS. In the advanced DNS you will find some records here. Just remove them all. Okay, yes, I want to remove them all, and I want to add mine. I will add new record, and it will be a CNAME record. The host will be www, and the target will be the link of our distribution, which is this one here, the domain name of the distribution. I will come back here and I will click Save Changes. These changes can take some time. Let's reload now. Okay, it worked quickly this time because I have already tried this domain name with the Amazon, so they pointed it quickly. If you didn't, you're gonna have to wait. Like sometimes I wait 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes, sometimes even 13 minutes. So just wait. I will try something. I will try HTTPS. It's working. Very simple. So when you want to try HTTPS, this is what you do. You're gonna have to add https://www. You need to add this in order to make HTTPS works. Now if you see the connection is secure, the HTTPS is working, it's all good. Okay, the other question that I get a lot is how to host many landing pages in the same domain name. For example, if I have this landing page right here, okay, I want to add multiple landing pages. Like for example, I can do like LP2, LP3, LP4, and everyone is a different landing page. So what I need to do here, just follow me. I will make your life easier. Let's host now multiple landing pages in the same domain name. All I need is the S3, and I will upload as many landing pages as I want. Okay, I will click on the bucket. I will upload them beside this. So I will have here LP1, LP2, LP3. So let's try. Let's get some landing pages quickly. Let's choose this one. LP2, generate. Okay, let's go back home. Let's use this one. Let's call it LP3. And of course, you know the rest in PureLender. You need to change the images, everything you want to change to fit your offer. And link replacer. You will come back. Let's come back to another test account that I made. Beam up. Log in. Let me grab my tracking URL. This is my tracking URL. It's already copied. I will come back here and I will replace with my tracking URL. Let's come back to LP2, edit, link replacer. I will replace all the links with my tracking URL. And of course I can do many things. I can change the questions, change the images, everything I want in here. We have these features as well to increase the CTR of your landing page. Anyways, now let's download the landing pages we just created. This one is LP3, I guess. Yeah, this is the LP3. Let's download the LP2, save. Okay, now let's go to the desktop. Let's unzip them. Let's unzip this. This is the LP2. Let's unzip the LP3. Okay, this is the LP2. This is the LP3. Let's close them all. Okay, now let's upload them in our bucket. We are in our bucket. Do not upload them inside this one. Just open the bucket directly. You want to upload them beside this one. Let's click upload, and we will drag and drop LP2. Upload. Let's wait. It's uploaded. Let's come back. You see it's beside this one. Let's upload LP3. Upload. Let's wait. It's uploaded. Let's come back. Now all you have to do is come back here and change this to LP2. And I know it will not work. Why? All you have to do is come back here, select this one, action, make public. Very simple. You have to make each landing page that you upload to your bucket, make sure you make it public. Now when I refresh, it works just fine, and when I click, it's all working. The LP3, this is the LP2, this is the LP1. It's all good. Now whenever you want to upload another landing page, just upload it here and make it public. You don't need to touch the CloudFront. You don't need to touch the certificate manager anymore. Just upload here and everything will work. So that's it.